Hello student, in this video you will see solution of exercise 4.1 based on the properties of a quadrilateral starting from the question number 1. So in question number 1 we have to ask, state whether true or false, correct the false statement. Okay. So we have the first part. The statement is given three vertices of a quadrilateral may sometimes be collinear. Okay. The first statement is say that the three vertices of a quadrilateral may sometimes be collinear. Okay, so the condition of collinear, when three or more than 3 points lie on the same line, then it's said to be collinear. Okay, but in quadrilateral, okay, suppose this is a quadrilateral, we have vertices A, B, C, D. Okay, so in quadrilateral, a line not containing more than 3 points. Okay, so the given statement is false. Okay, false statement. So this is a false statement. Okay, three vertices of a quadrilateral may sometimes be collinear, not any times be collinear. Okay. Now move to the second statement. Okay. So it has been said a quadrilateral cannot have an obtuse angle. Okay. So as we know, angle 90, more than 90 and less than 180. Okay, so that angle is called obtuse angle. So here we have to say a quadrilateral cannot have an obtuse angle, but this statement is false. Quadrilateral also have an obtuse angle. Okay, remember that in convex concave we had to explain. Concave, if one angle is more than 180 degree, then it is called concave quadrilateral. Okay, so here the statement number second, a quadrilateral cannot have one obtuse angle. This is also false statement. Okay, this is a false statement. Now further move to the third statement. It is given that a quadrilateral cannot have more than one right angle. Okay, we have to say ask, a quadrilateral cannot have more than one right angle. So we can think a quadrilateral have one or more than one right angle. Okay. The example, suppose this is rectangle, as we know rectangle has 90 degree. Okay, each angle is 90 degree. So here we can see in a quadrilateral we have 4 right angle. Okay, so the quadrilateral cannot have more than one right angle. This statement is false. Okay, children. Again, move to the fourth statement. It has been said the sum of 4 angles of a concave quadrilateral is more than 360 degree. Okay. Okay, children. Now recall the previous discussion types of quadrilateral, that is concave and convex. So we have already explained the sum of interior angle of a concave as well as convex quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So this is the also false statement. Here the sum of four angles after concave quadrilateral is more than 360 degree. It is not true. Okay, so this is false statement. Further move to the fifth. We have to say that a diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line joining any two vertices of a quadrilateral. Okay, we have the diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment joining any vertices of a quadrilateral. Okay, this is false statement. The diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment joining opposite vertices. Okay, joining only opposite vertices of a quadrilateral. Okay, so fifth is also a false statement. Okay, this is false statement. Clear? And the last part is it has been said that at least one angle of a concave quadrilateral is greater than 180 degree. Okay, we have to set at least, okay, at least one angle of a concave quadrilateral is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can say any one angle of a quadrilateral is more than 180 degree. Okay, so this statement is true statement. Okay, this is true. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1. Now move to the second question. In this question, we have to ask, find which of the following quadrilaterals are convex and which ones are concave. So how you arrive at your conclusion. Okay, so we have given the figure of four quadrilateral and we have to ask which one is concave and which one are convex quadrilateral. Okay, so to identify which are convex concave, first we recall the previous discussion, the type of quadrilateral. That is, we know very well there are two type of quadrilateral. First one is convex and second is concave. Okay, and a quadrilateral is said to be concave if one angle is more than 180 degree and the diagonal draw, if it is light outside it, then it have to set that concave quadrilateral. Okay, so look at figure number first. Here this is a quadrilateral x y, this is y x, y, z, w. Okay. So here one angle from y more than 180 degree, and in other word we can also say the diagonal graph from vertex x to z. Okay, so this diagonal is lies outside the quadrilateral. Okay, outside the given quadrilateral. So we can say that the figure first means x, y, z, w is concave quadrilateral. Okay, this is concave quadrilateral. Now move to the second figure. This is a quadrilateral PQRS, and here we can also see one angle of this quadrilateral is more than 180 degree from the vertex R, and we can also check the diagonal from vertex S to Q. This is lies outside the figure. Okay, so we can say this is concave quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. Okay, concave quadrilateral. And third, here we can see no any angle from the vertex A, B, C, D more than 180 degree, and also the diagonal draw from vertex B to D and A to C. These are lying inside the figure. Okay, here we can see diagonal AC and BD lying inside the quadrilateral. So we know when diagonals are lies inside the quadrilateral and no any angle more than 180 degree. So such type of quadrilateral are called convex quadrilateral. Okay, so this is convex quadrilateral. Okay, now move to the figure number 4. So now here we can observe here one angle from vertex is more than 180 degree, and also the diagonal from the vertex B to D lies outside the quadrilateral. So we can say the given quadrilateral is a concave quadrilateral. So this is concave quadrilateral. Okay, this is concave